Hello, my name is Angela Carmen. Today is January 18th, 2018, and today I'll be going over aseptic technique and culturing microbes. So I have two samples this week for my lab. I have E. coli and S. epidermidis, and I have nutrient broth that I will be mixing for the culture. Then they'll incubate for about 48 hours and we'll come back and see what's going on with the bacteria. So I've already done my E. coli sample, and now we're going to go to do the S. epidermidis sample together. So this was my E. coli, which is labeled, and now we'll be doing the S. epidermidis together. So I'm going to remove the packet, and I have my flame going so that I can sterilize the broth when I open up the tube. All right. And I have my pipette that's sterilized that I dipped in alcohol. So now I'm going to uncap the broth. And I'm just going to place my cap in the work area. Here's my culture, and I'm just going to place the flame to the tip of the broth here, all the way around. Okay. I'm now opening the culture. I'm going to grab my pipette, and it is labeled with markings here, so 0.25 ml, and place it into the culture here. So I'm grabbing 0.25 ml of the broth. All right. Being careful not to let my pipette touch the mouth of the broth. Just a little tiny bit. There we go. All right. So I'll place my pipette there, and I'm going to vigorously shake the culture to dissolve the tablet. I don't think I placed enough broth in there, so I'm actually going to grab a little bit more. There we go. So now I'm just shaking up the culture to break it up. And then I will pipette this back into the broth. A little more. Ooh. A little too vigorous. Okay, so it looks good now. So I'm going to mix this back into the broth. All right, so now I'm going to cap this. So I'm going to be sure to store these in my work area, my incubation spot, which is actually in the laundry room in the cabinets above, since it's cool and dark in there and away from the kids. So I do have one more, my yeast, that has been sitting for about 10 minutes now. It's just yeast and some warm tap water mixed together here. So this is going to be for the S. cerevisiae culture. So instead of using like a E. coli, I'm going to be using the broth. So I'm going to pipette 0.25 of the yeast into my S. cerevisiae culture, which is labeled here. And I have a different pipette that's sterile for my yeast. Okay. So same exact process. I'm just going to get 0.25 of the yeast mixture, mix it into my nutrient broth here. I'll flame the lid before closing it. And then I'll store these in my incubation period spot, excuse me. And then we'll come back in 48 hours and we'll take a look. Thank you.